Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Stephanie. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, we are in Bodrum, Mugla. I think I pronounced that correctly. I hope I did. But yeah, we're in Bodrum, and it's our first time in general in Turkey. We arrived here late last night. I actually arrived late last night. My brothers arrived a little bit earlier because we had problems with my COVID certificate. I just got my vaccine 6 days ago, I think, and I thought I could fly with it. I didn't know I had to wait 14 days before it's gültig. En ik zo vergessen wie met de substitutie. Gültig. The word just literally escaped my head. Before it's eligible to... Huh? Thank you! That's the word I was looking for. Before it's valid. So I didn't know that, and I thought I could travel with it. And before we found out it was already too late, I'd already been on the checking queue that is usually so long for like maybe 30 minutes, and we had just about an hour 30 minutes before our flight was going to take off. So at that point there was no time anymore. I still went to get the test done anyways. I had to get an antigen test, antigen, I call it German way, so I had to get that anyways. So I went to get it done, and by the time I came back the check-in counter was closed. So yeah, that was it. I missed my flight. My brothers still made it to theirs. Theirs was really close though, because they waited for me to get my test done before moving on. They almost missed their own flight, so I had to get new tickets to get my flight on the same day to Bodrum yesterday. So I had to fly alone. The experience wasn't the best for me. I flew with Pegasus airline, and it was the first time ever flying with this airline. It was a horrible experience for me. At least the first flight was a horrible experience for me. The second flight was good. It was nice. The first flight, it was just tight. I barely had leg room there. My legs felt, I'm not even that tall. I'm 5'9", but like I barely had space for my legs. So I was literally struggling. 2 hours 45 minutes flight, but that felt so long because of how uncomfortable I felt. And flying alone wasn't something I had mentally prepared for, because usually I have more than one brain doing the thinking for me, but this time around I had to do it alone, everything with one brain. So it was a task for me. It was unplanned. I mentally didn't prepare for it, so that was a hell of a task for me. Still, somehow I was able to make it. I was pretty tired. I was exhausted when I arrived. I think it was 1 a.m. or 1:30 a.m. when I got into the apartment. My brothers were already here. I was so happy to see them. So yeah, woke up this morning, didn't do too much. We're not gonna do too much right now. It's already late. It's already late, so we're not, pretty much it's just a lazy day for everyone. So I guess we're just gonna do something from maybe tomorrow. I think that's what it's gonna be. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do an apartment tour so you guys can see what the space looks like. Up there is where the light is hitting from, so it's the best place to film right now. And I literally forgot my vlogging tripod. So right now I'm in the balcony, and this is where we are. This is the pool down here. We have a pool here, but honestly I'm not even gonna lie, it's kind of cold. Like, not cold, but it's not warm, so it's not really warm enough to go into the pool right now. I'm gonna show you guys what inside of the apartment looks like.
asking me, why don't you tell me on time that the spotlight is on me? Goodness me.
Goodness gracious me. Anyways, that's my brother, that's Alex. You guys saw him in the last vlog.
Like I said, I need no introduction. Listen when I speak.
Anyways, the living room, and then there's the kitchen with the dining table there, and yeah, it's actually a really pretty place. And here they had a Netflix account running for us to use when we came in. Let's give a closer look in the kitchen. So we already had breakfast and everything's already inside. Oops. Yeah, everything's already inside. It's really nice. And then here's the entrance. This is the view you get when you walk in. It's a pretty nice place. And right here I am. Right here is my room. This place looks very, very modern. That's the thing I like about it. There's a baby pen here, so yeah. That's there. There's an air conditioner as well, I guess for when it's like really hot. This is the view from my rooms. You want to do it yourself, so yeah, that's a really cool one. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And there's a net here, which I highly appreciate because I hate insects. Yeah. Here's the pool once again. And this is exactly where I was sitting before. Here's the bathroom. Yeah. The mirror is kind of dark. I don't know why. Like, I came in here, I was like, something's off, but the color of the mirror is not normal. It's like really dark. Has like this dark effect. That's actually nice, actually. But yeah, here are my things. I already placed my things here. This is the second bathroom. So there's a washing machine here, which is so good. I haven't even opened this place. Oh, okay. There's a hairdryer here. Amazing again. And then here's the second mirror, which also looks the exact same. It's actually really nice. It gives it a very different vibe, which is pretty cool, I think. And then here's the second shower head, and there's a top one here as well. And then there's the toilet, a window. And this is the last room. Bobby's in here. Hola. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
So this is the second room.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to my domain.
Yeah, so this is the room my brothers are sleeping in. Oh guys, look at the view from here.
Hold up, let me open up the
view from here.
You good, yeah?
I'm good.
Alright.
So yeah, this is the room again. There's a view here as well, which is, look at the sunset there. Ooh, the sunset. Ooh. So this is the view from here. So pretty. It's actually a really quiet place. The thing is, this place is really nice, but we actually feel like it's kind of away from the outside. If that makes sense. Might just plan something from tomorrow. It's just gonna be a chill day today, and then from tomorrow we'll see what we're gonna do. On our way to the market now because we're gonna get a few things. Afterwards, we're just gonna eat something out in the city somewhere. I've still need to put my hair in hot water. I got it done and I didn't put it in hot water because I didn't have the time. But yeah. want to know how the sun is hitting you guys. For real, yeah. Oh shit, baddest. Goodest. Alright. Oh shit. That's right. The looks. Oh, this is too nice.
Okay, yeah. Bleeding from the heart.
Yeah, but okay. Oh, na the lash. Okay.
Please prepare your tickets that you got from the agencies, the vouchers I mean. Also, if you have the balance, the rest of the payments you can prepare because I will come to collect them one by one.
So, we got Alexi.
All French money. Maybe,
Спасибо, покорми. What do you have to say? How does it feel?
maybe 500.
Okay, back to day. How are you feeling? What the fuck? Hey yo, what the hell? Looking good. Okay, I'll do.
Yeah, better, but still it's oh, hell no, look at my own. So we just came out the pot bag. Now it's listen. We just came out the pot bag, so that's why we want to it's up to you if you want to. Hola. Wait. So,
How's
Hey,
your
guys.
head on the
Jesus Christ.
Step down, let's see. I beg, let's all put our mask up and talk. Let's see.
Nah.
Put your mask up.
Nah.
I'm gonna put it down. Nye Fabico.
So we just finished with quad bikes right now, and it was a 2-hour event.
Yeah, baby. Tell
And
them.
yeah, we just feel like we got ripped off.
Feel like eating some facts, boys.
We really feel like we got ripped off because for the pictures that we took, that they took, we had to pay like 110 euros. So 110 euros for what? For how many pictures? Okay, there were more than 300 pictures. I'm not gonna lie, but 110 euros. I was like, and he first started with 150. So we're like, what? But then we had to bring it down. We brought it down to 110. So yeah. But we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see the pictures. We're gonna get a link to it. So once we do, we're gonna see what they look like. But yeah, for now we're done. And we're headed back home to the home.
Just interrupted me.
Hey guys, let's just say long time no see. Today is Saturday. I don't know, I just feel like I haven't talked so much in this vlog. The trip has been going fine so far. The thing is, since we got here, we kind of noticed that the season for most of the activities is pretty much gone. And we didn't realize that, so there's been a lot of things that haven't gone according to plan. And yeah, it's just been pretty chill. It's more of like, I feel like we've slept on this vacation. I feel like we've really slept on this vacation more than we've done any other thing, which is crazy. It's crazy, but I mean, it's part of vacation and we're good with that. But it wasn't really we didn't really plan to sleep as much as we have been sleeping since we came. And I'm literally just watching my brother now because I'm about to go for a swim. That's Alex there. Now, would you guys believe me when I say that since we came here, we haven't entered this pool because of how freezing cold this water is. But today, I decided that no matter how cold it is, I'm actually gonna take a dive in that water today because I don't want to leave this place without being able to swim in there just because of how cold it is. So no, I'm not gonna think too much about it. I'm just gonna do it. By the way, guys, this is my swimming outfit. Got this. This is from Shein. A lot of people love this. I got it from Shein, so yeah. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. Freaking love it. And this actually had an underwire. I took it out because I wasn't so comfortable with it. So.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. You get that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Niggas say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. You get that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, tell I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. No, just a nigga. You be my soldier.
Achtung. Fertig. Los. Let's go! Yeah, baby! Kijk eens, gast. Het is mega groot. That's it, bro. Hey guys, we're back. We just got back home, back to the apartment. We didn't go to the bazaar. We didn't end up going to the bazaar just because before we were ready to leave, calm down a bit. Before we were ready to leave, it was pretty much.
It was late.
It was.
There's nothing to. No.
No beating around the bush.
We were late.
Goodness gracious me.
Please, let's just end it there. We were late, please. So, we decided to just go shopping around here, which actually has really, really nice stores. We got like different things, sweaters, all of that, a whole lot of things. Okay, so we decided to just get pizza on our way back, Domino's pizza, to just try and see what the difference is between this one and the one we have in Switzerland. So we're gonna see what it tastes like, and yeah, we're gonna watch Prison Break as well. I got my brothers to start watching Prison Break since we got here. So
You need a trophy for that?
yes, I do actually. So we're gonna watch that right now as we eat.
I don't give a shit. I'm a rapper.
I need my glasses. Can you give me my glasses, please?
Actually, I don't give a shit. I don't, because you have to cut too much now.
We paid about $20
Rounding it up.
for 3 pizzas. For 3 pizzas. In Switzerland, we paid 20 for one. Not even one. Alex took extravaganza. For an extravaganza in Switzerland, you cannot use 20 francs to buy extravaganza in Switzerland. Literally, you cannot. Sorry. The food here is really cheap, really, really cheap, and very nice too. So. Oh gosh, I look nice. So, hey guys, today is officially, I think I can call it our last day because we're going to be leaving tomorrow morning, really early actually. I think about 5:30. By 5:30 is when we're going to be leaving, and I can't help but to admire my makeup, my look today. You're going to see the pictures on Instagram, so make sure you go follow my Instagram, like my picture. Right now we're on our way to go get our COVID test, and I think it's probably gonna be PCR test. We're not quite sure, but we're gonna see when we get to the hospital. So no, actually we're gonna go to the airport to get it done in the airport, because to get it done in the hospital you need to make appointments, and it was kind of complicated for us when we tried to read about it, everything you need and all of that. So we decided to just go to the airport and get it done at the airport instead, because that's pretty clear and everyone speaks English. Like, not everyone, but like a lot of people speak English there. So we thought it would be best if we just went there. So we're just gonna go there, and then afterwards we're gonna head probably to the city, look around, and get probably a few more things. And yeah, that will be it, honestly. This vlog wasn't a very long one. We didn't do too much because yeah, it was end of the season. We didn't actually realize it was the end of the season already before we came here, so a lot of the activities were closed. So it was basically a vacation where we decided to all rest, more of resting, or what we did was literally just resting, hanging at the pool, sleeping, watching. Wieso lachst du? Wieso? Hä?
Nein, nix.
Bist du sicher? Anyway, it's been pretty much chill vacation for us, so that's why there isn't too much, because I felt like it was gonna be too repetitive. So I decided to just leave a lot of things out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The rest of the vlog is just gonna be probably clips of the shopping, COVID test, and I want to thank every single one of you that has taken time to watch this video. And please don't forget to put a thumbs up to like this video, subscribe to my channel because I'm trying. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see you guys in more videos to come. There's definitely going to be more travel vlogs, that one is for sure. So Here we go again. Is it kaputt? No, it's good.
No, we good out here.
So yeah.
My side too, please. Don't forget my side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the good? What's the good? Right on. Right on, right on, right on.
How's it so far? Amen.
Good time. And that's hope.
Yup. Genau, ist gut. Look how they actually wrote my name. Stefan. Yeah.
How they fuck this?
You know.